Hello everyone and welcome to eMath. Let's solve this equation. X to the power of x is equals to x. First, let's see, can x be equals to 0? No, x cannot be equals to 0. So this is what I'm going to do. We can see that x to the power of x divided by x is equals to 1. And now we need to know this formula. A to the power of b divided by a to the power of c is equals to a to the power of b minus c. So here is 1. And now we have x to the power of x minus 1 is equals to 1. Now, what's the form of this equation? The left side is something to the power of something, and the right side is a 1. So this form is a to the power of b is equals to 1. So for this kind of equations, there are many cases. For the first case, if a is equal to 1, b can be any real number. We also have a second case. If a is equals to -1, then b is an even number, and it can be written as a form 2 times n, and n is an integer. The third case, when b is 0, then a cannot be 0, because if a is 0 and b is 0, there is no meaning. Okay, so before we continue solving this problem, if you are enjoying this video, please subscribe my channel because I'm new on YouTube and I need your support. Okay, now let's continue. For the first case, a now is x. When x is equals to 1 and x minus 1, it is 1 minus 1 is equals to 0, and 0 is a real number. So x is equals to 1 is one of the roots of this equation. For the second case, if a, in this case, is x, is equals to -1, and then x minus 1, it is -1 minus 1, is equals to -2. And this it can be written as 2 times -1. So here, -1 is an integer. So in this case, there is a root. X is equals to -1. And the third case, when b, in this case, the exponent x minus 1 is equals to 0, and the base x cannot be 0. So from x minus 1 is equals to 0, x is 1, not 0. So there is a root. X is equals to 1. So we can see that there are only two roots. X is equals to positive or -1. And this is our answer. Please don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel because I'm new on YouTube and I need your support. Thank you for watching and we will see you next time.